her basic human right. I look back to the time when I virtually had no language until I was about 5 years of age. My situation was changed when I attended a school for deaf children. A child from the group there gave me a doll. She then signed it, doll. It was at that moment I discovered that there is a true visual language. That experience of not knowing a natural visual language should not be the reality of any deaf child. Our new amazing resource is important for families, friends, neighbors, parents, anyone. www.asalphabet.com is an online dictionary loaded with 1,500 words. Developed by Dr. Sam Sugala, it contains 3 sections: hand shapes, locations, and movements of signs. ASL words can be searched to find their animated ASL sign, and the reverse is also possible to find the English word equivalent. This dictionary is 85% complete, and we are reaching out to you for your support to reach the goal of completion. Help us in supporting children's literacy.